galing-galing ninyo. Dahil dyan, mayroon akong gig para sa inyo.
Geg? Anong
Gig?
geg?
Seryoso? Saan?
Ibig sabihin ba niyan, you're payag to make me the manager of the band?
Ay. Sneaky ka. Saan muna yung gig?
First, you must sign a contract that says everything has to be divided by 4.
Bakit?
And that's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Bakit naman by 4?
Eh, gusto ko by 4 eh. Oh, by the way, I have the contract right here.
Marunong ka pala mag-English?
Of course, child. Sign on the dotted line, please.
I will sign pagkatapos mong sabihin kung saan yung gig.
Sign mo na. Ganyan.
Oh,
Ako siya pag nagagawa.
Thank you. Congratulations on your good decision. Noon sa Mangkaday. By the way, ito na ang address ng inyong first gig. Diri ta magtugtog. Diri.
Yay! May gig na tayo! Yay! Pero may gig na tayo. Babayaran ba tayo dyan?
dito ba talaga tayo tutugtog?
Martin, do you want a gig or not?
Gusto naman namin, kaya lang.
Para namang hindi tayo nababagay dito.
Ay! You're starting and you're just like throwing up an attitude? You need exposure if you want to be famous, okay? So sige na, mag-sit up na kayo. Sit up!
Tara na.
Tara, Sam.
O ano, ready na ba kayo? Excited na ang lahat na marinig kayo.
Parang excited na sila.
Sige na. Umpisa mo na. Come on.
Hello, everybody! Good evening! We are the Kumares and the Compares, and we are here to entertain all of you. Our first song is, of course, dedicated po sa inyong lahat. Simulan mo. Hoy! Ang iyong pinipili.
Wait! Ay, sandali! Huwag ganyan! Huwag ganyan! Ay! Wait lang!